Hello kids! Welcome to another lesson in Math 6 about finding the nth term in a sequence. Before going to our lesson, let us all read and analyze this story problem. Anna is saving money for her birthday. She saved 7 pesos on the first day, 15 pesos on the second day, and 23 pesos on the third day. If the pattern continues, how much will she save on the 45th day? To guide you in analyzing the problem, let us answer these questions. How much did she save on the first day? That's correct. It's 7 pesos. How will you solve the problem? Very good. We can answer this by finding the pattern. But the question is, how are we going to do that? What are the steps? Well, let me help you that. In finding the nth term, you need to remember these. Number pattern with common difference between each term is called arithmetic sequence. Again, everybody say arithmetic sequence. Good. The numbers in the sequence or pattern are called terms, usually denoted by letter N. So, we call it as first term, second term, and so on. The nth term means the missing number in a sequence or pattern, and that is what we are going to find. Okay, so let's go back answering the problem. So the first three terms in the sequence are 7 pesos, 15 pesos, and 23 pesos. Subtract the second term to the first term and the third term to the second term to get the common difference. So 15 pesos minus 7 pesos is equal to 8 pesos. 23 pesos minus 15 pesos is equal to 8 pesos. So this means that 8 pesos is our common difference for this pattern. In making a rule in finding the nth term, just follow this format. We need to get these. First, the term n or the position, sequence or pattern, and the term times the common difference. So these are the number of terms. So the first term is 7 pesos and the second term is 15 pesos. We knew that the common difference is 8. So next step, to get the numbers here, just multiply the term here times the common difference, which is 8. So 1 times 8 is equal to 8 and 2 times 8 is equal to 16. Now compare the numbers here. We get 7 by subtracting 1 from 8, and we get 15 by subtracting 1 from 16. That means the rule has minus 1 at the end. So the rule is 8n minus 1. We get n from the common difference. Letter n is the nth term, and minus 1, we get it from here, or when comparing the common difference to the first term. This time, let's check if our rule is correct. So this is the sequence, and this is our rule. We will substitute n to the number of term. So now let's check. For the first term, we replace n by 1, and for the second term, we replace n by 2. So 8 times 1 minus 1 is equal to 7. And 8 times 2, which is 16, minus 1 is equal to 15. Now, let's find the 45th term using this rule. So our rule is 8n minus 1. Now, let's replace n by 45. So, it became 8 times 45 minus 1. 8 times 45 is equal to 360. That's why it became 360 minus 1. And our final answer is 359 pesos. Let's have this example. Everybody please read the problem. Mark is selling flower pots. The total number of pots he sold increases each day by 5. If he sold 3 pots on the first day, how many pots did he sell on the 18th day? Okay, so how many pots did he sell on the first day? That's right, it's 3. How about in the second day? Okay, correct, it's 5. On the third day? Very good, the answer is 13. So meaning this is the sequence 3, 8, 13. Do you know what is the common difference? Very good, it's 5 because of this line. Increases each day by 5. And if we were going to subtract, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. And 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. Okay, so to find the rule, just follow again this format. So that means first term and second term. So our first term is 3 and our second term is 8. So next step, to get the numbers here, just multiply the term here times the common difference, which is 5. So 1 times 5 is equal to 5 and 2 times 5 is equal to 5. Now, compare the numbers here. We get 3 by subtracting 2 from 5, and we get 8 by subtracting 2 from 10. That means the rule has minus 2 at the end. So our rule is 5n minus 2. We get 5 from the common difference. Letter n is the nth term, and minus 2 we get it from here or when comparing the common difference to the first term. Now, let's find the 18th term using this rule. So our rule is 5n minus 2. So let's replace n by 18. So 5 times 18 minus 2. The product of 5 and 18 is 90. Or 5 times 18 is equal to 90. So it became 90 minus 2. Our final answer is 88. Let's have this example. Find the 56th term of the linear sequence 10, 17, 24, 31, and so on. Can you give me the common difference? Very good. It's 7. 17 minus 10 is equal to 7. 24 minus 17 is equal to 7. And 31 minus 24 is equal to 7. So to get the rule, we will just follow again this format. So this means first term and second term. Our first term is 10 and our second term is 17. So to get the data here, just multiply this to the common difference, which is 7. So 1 times 7 is equal to 7 and 2 times 7 is equal to 14. So let's compare these numbers. We get 10 by adding 3 from 7, so plus 3. And we get 17 by adding 3 from 14, so again plus 3. Meaning our rule has plus 3 at the end. So this is our rule, 7n plus 3. We get 7 from the common difference, n is our nth term, and plus 3. We get it from here. Let's continue answering the problem by finding the 56th term of the sequence using this rule. So our rule is 7n plus 3. Let's replace n by 56. If we will multiply 7 times 56, the result is 392. So it became 392 plus 3. The final answer is 395. Okay, let's proceed to our last example. Find the 203rd term in the linear sequence 15, 21, 27. Can you give me the common difference? That's right, the answer is 6. 21 minus 15 is equal to 6, and 27 minus 21 is equal to 6. Okay, let's find the rule by following this format. Our first term is 15 and our second term is 21. So let's get the value of this area by multiplying the number here from our common difference, which is 6. So 1 times 6 is equal to 6 and 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Okay, so let's compare the numbers here. We get this number 15 by adding 9 from 6. And we get this number 21 by adding 9 from 12. So meaning our rule has plus 9 at the end. Our rule is 6n plus 9. We get this 6 from our common difference, and n is our unknown or nth term, and plus 9 we get it from here. Okay, so now let's find the 203rd term using this rule. 6n plus 9. Let's replace n by 203. So 6 times 203 plus 9. 6 times 203 is equal to 1,218. So 1,218 plus 9, the final result is 1,227. I hope you have learned a lot from today's lesson about finding the nth term in a sequence. Before ending this video lesson, I will leave to you this activity. Find the next term in each sequence, then write the rule in finding the nth term. Write your answer on your activity notebook.